Hi everyone, Jack here from RosterElf. Great to see you again for another quick training session. Today, we are diving into managing public holidays for your site, so you can keep rosters accurate and payroll stress-free. How to view your current public holidays. Click Sites in the top menu to open the list of all locations in your account. For example, this lets you pick the exact venue you need to update. Select the site you want to review, so a pop-up with that site's settings appears. This keeps your changes focused on one location at a time. Choose Public Holidays in the top right of the pop-up to see every holiday already loaded. Now you have a clear list to work from. Pick the right country and state from the drop-downs, then hit Import to load the official holidays for that region. That way, RosterElf matches local legislation in seconds. How to delete a public holiday that does not apply. Find the date you do not need and click the red X beside it. For example, remove a state-based holiday that your business does not recognize. Confirm by selecting OK on the prompt so the system updates instantly. This prevents that date from triggering penalty rates or alerts. How to add a single custom public holiday. Click Add a single day in the top right of the pop-up to start a fresh entry. Type a clear name for the holiday such as Company Anniversary Day in the name field so staff know why it is special. Select the correct date in the date field, then press Add to lock it in. The new holiday will now appear in the list and flow through to rosters. How to revert to the standard holiday list. Scroll to the bottom right and click I want to use the standard holiday list when you need to undo custom changes. RosterElf instantly restores the official set of public holidays for your chosen region, giving you a clean slate. That is all there is to it. If you need any help, our support team is always ready to assist. Happy rostering, and see you next time.